Hello, my name is Mark Mendelson, and I am 5 feet 10 inches tall. Let me inform your viewers that the planet Mars is now quite distinct in the western skies and is visible to the naked eye. Mars and Earth are at the point in their orbits where they are nearest to each other, in opposition, as we call it.
In your opinion, what do these transverse stripes signify, Professor?
Not canals, I can assure you. Although it's the popular conjecture for those who imagine Mars to be inhabited. From a scientific viewpoint, the stripes are merely the result of atmospheric conditions peculiar to the planet.
Then you're quite convinced as a scientist that living intelligence as we know it does not exist on Mars.
I'd say the chances are 1,000,000 to 1.
And so, Professor, how do you account for those gas eruptions occurring on the surface of the planet at regular intervals?
I cannot account for them.
Are you sure your friends on Mars aren't taking pot shots at us?
When there is insufficient data, it is irresponsible to speculate. The Martians have devised a new weapon. It discharges an enormous cloud of black vapor by means of rockets. The vapor is deadly poisonous and corrosive to exposed skin. We are calling this weapon the Black Smoke. They have smothered our batteries with the black smoke and have destroyed the towns of Niles, Oak Park, and Berwyn. A column of over 30 tripods is advancing slowly towards the city, destroying everything in its way. It is impossible to stop them. There is no safety from the black smoke. For this very reason, I have surrendered unconditionally today at 1400 hours on behalf of the United States Army. When, at last, what remained of the society could be assembled, we stood together on a small hill overlooking the devastated landscape, and under a red sky and a hot wind, we paid our last respects to a colleague. Elena Luciana Bautista was a devoted mother, an adoring wife, and a loving daughter and sister. She was a hero, a scientist, an amateur astronomer, and a gifted and beneficial member of the society. Per aspera, ad astra. Assistant Professor Whitehurst. Maybe something from the Bible.